Hey guys, what's happening? How to send Bitcoin from Kraken to another wallet. So first of all, go ahead and click the portfolio at the bottom, okay? And select the coin that you want to send. So let's say, for example, I want to send Bitcoin. So I'm gonna hit Bitcoin, right? And under the chart, you're gonna see the balance, and you're gonna see two options: deposit and withdraw. So I'm gonna hit withdraw, right? And select the network that you're using in the different wallet. So if you're sending this Bitcoin to a Trust wallet, Phantom wallet, or Binance, you can just go ahead and select the network that can be associated with them. So you can use Bitcoin as known, right, as a known network for different apps, but it costs some fees, or you can use Lightning for no fees. So I'm gonna select Lightning, right? Agree and continue, and then of course add the Lightning request, right? They recommend pasting or scanning the QR code to make sure it's correct, right? And basically, after you add the address here, basically you're gonna be able to continue to confirm that you want to send this amount of Bitcoin to this wallet, or sending this Bitcoin to another wallet using Lightning Network. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.